Hi everyone, this is Ashish with Investor Friendly CPA. In this quick video, I'm trying to explain you guys what the tax planning engagement is about. Okay, so if you guys have not done tax planning before or have done some sort of planning, you understand that tax savings happens during tax planning. Our tax planning is different than what you see with other providers. Okay, we're very systematic about our tax planning, and I'll show you what I mean by that in the next few minutes. What I'm showing you on my screen is being converted to a software right now, so you guys can actually have access and manage your own tax planning going forward in a couple of months. But let me show you what I mean by what is tax planning looks like for you. So this is we have a huge modules with this, I think 70 tabs that has all the tax planning. But generally, these are the basic topic that you would discuss with your CPAs during tax planning. Now remember, there might be some other questions that are not covered here. That's where you just email your CPAs and they'll reach out to you. But from our perspective, we will reach out to you saying, hey, please fill out this form so we can help you do all of this tax planning. We tell you that. So let me show you what those are, okay? So we have basic planning. Everyone needs to do this. We review last 3 years tax return if you're a new client, and then we review your paychecks, making sure you maximize your 401ks and everything. Extensions to calculate your extension, your estimated tax payments. You're a business owner. We know if you are under withheld, then we give you exactly how much you need to withheld to true up your paycheck, so you don't owe taxes when you go. Okay, and then real estate, the big one, right? Everyone knows about real estate. Real estate is where we give you how big of the property should you be buying, so you can save 100% of your tax. We do cost-seg analysis, meaning how much how this property can save you how much through cost aggregations. Tax calculation with or without real estate. We give you very detailed consultation on all this real estate professional status, short-term rental loophole. If you're doing 1031 exchange, we calculate that in detail for you. We talk about borrower stairways. This is something very powerful. If you are selling some assets, we give you tax implications, so you can decide if you want to do 1031 exchange or just sell it outright because there's no tax implications. Things like that. We talk about non-real estate tax planning, oil and gas, forex, easements, donor advice fund, captive insurance. We talk about those. We talk about your entity structuring, how to structure your entities and everything is in detail. Okay, it talks about how all the entities are structured. What is your current entity structure? We analyze that. We talk about how to hold your rental properties, your non-passive business, your holding company, being anonymous. Right? People talk about that. Partnership. We help you. We consult with you to get the right kind of EIN because most people get it wrong. We talk about retirement plan, and we try to compare retirement plans. SEP, in 401k is simple. Which one is the best for you, depending on your income level? We go through that. We talk about IRAs, backdoor Roth IRAs, Roth versus non-Roth. We give you all of that information. And I'll show you this in detail in the next few minutes. We talk about S Corp analysis. Should you be an S corporation? Once you're an S corporation, we talk about all of these topics. Let's say you are a C Corp. We talk about how to get paid through C Corp, so the base tax benefit analysis. Then we talk about tax savings at the individual level, all the 529 plans, Roth conversions, so many other things. And then we talk about how to write off your medical expense. Normally, medical expense are non-deductible, right? You have to deduct them under itemized deduction, which most people cannot. We'll tell you exactly how to get around that. We talk about deductions you can take at the business level. We talk about buying an auto, how to write off your vehicle, how to hire your kids, and tax implication on that. We give you all the business credit, individual credits that you can use. So all of these is what a tax planning is. And now I know I'm saying a lot of things, but I can show you, again, it doesn't make sense to you. How this works is, let's say this is a client, this is my own name here. This I input all of the information during tax planning. And tax planning is complicated, guys. I know you're here, but if I zoom out, you'll see a lot of information goes into tax planning, and years of work has been put into this modules and the software we can create. But once it's done, we give you tax savings with and without real estate. Okay, for example, for this one, I would owe $100,000 without real estate. Then with real estate, I'm going to owe only $36,000, right? We talk about individual tax savings. Hey, I have $46,000 remaining in 401k. I can save $12,000 if I contribute. We actually give you tax savings. We just don't tell you, hey, contribute, you're going to save tax. We actually give you the amount in detailed fashion, not like some random, your marginal tax rate multiplied by a deduction. No, we go into your FICA tax rate, your how much extra you can save with the Medicare tax and Obamacare tax, all those things in much more detail. Okay, this is what I was talking about in HRAs, And if you could do medical expenses, we give you a structure like this. There's so many tabs here, but I just want to show you in a few things, I guess. We talk about an S corporations, like I said, how much can you save without S corporations? We'll actually give you numbers, and you'll have access to this file once we're done with the analysis. C corporations, how does the distribution works once you have entities. Retirement plan, this is what I was talking about, retirement plan comparisons, right? And then we talk about cost depreciations, rep status, and short-term rental, your current entity structure. We walk you through entity structure like this and help you create a tax efficient entity structure. So again, I'm not going to go through all of this. This is what the tax planning is. And if you need this, you need to talk to us and we'll help you guys out. Okay, thank you.